Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome, nice watch face to check out today. Now, DXS is back in the building again, and they're bringing a heavy hitter to the game on this review, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called MTH0003. Now, although it looks simple and plain, it does bring a lot of features within this smartwatch that I think you're going to like. Now, when the watch face is in the always-on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gear 3. It's going to be slightly different for the Gear 2, but you're going to get your time at a glance. That's what's important. And when the watch face is on, now this is going to help to save on battery consumption as well. So I like it, a black and white thing for the most part. And you get the best of both worlds. You do get an analog look. If you look at the red arrows, that's going to represent your hour and your minute hand. Also, you got a second hand that's also going around the bezel of the watch as well. Now, dead center, you're going to get your day and your date. You're going to get your step status info. You're going to get your digital time, 12 hours now. Right at the top, and you got some shortcuts. The ones that I think are very vital to any smartwatch, right? You can play your music and it is interactive. I like that. And I can also make a phone call. I can go into my settings if I so choose. And I think those are some conveniences that every smartwatch should have. Now, dead center, you're going to get the day of the week. You're also going to get your date and your step status info. Now, the two lines that are blue on opposite sides of the small inner circle is going to represent your step status goal, and you're going to get your battery info. This is nice. You can also go in, if you tap on your step status info, you can bring that up as well. Get your calories burned, and if you tap on the day, it brings up the calendar. I thought this was really nice, you all. But hey, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and let's move on and check out watch face number two. Now, number two is just as nice as number one. This one is called MTH0002. You're gonna like this one. Now, what I like about it is that it's an everyday watch face, a casual watch face, but every day. That means you can wear it anywhere at any time. Now, in always on mode, it's gonna look slightly the same. Not a bad look. It's going to give you a time at a glance, which is what you want to see. But when the watch face is on, it's full of shortcuts, it's full of information. I'm liking what this watch face is bringing to the table. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate info. You're going to come down, you're going to get the day of the week, get your digital time in 12 hours. I'm going to say it again, in 12 hours, right? Now, the meter that you got that's sandwiching the time up here is going to be your battery. Right here is going to be your goal completed. Now, if you come down, you're going to get battery info right there as well. And you're going to get your goal completed also right there. And I'm at 109%. And I did 21,000 steps. I could have did better. I could have did better. Listen, I could have did better, right? But I think I did okay. Also, you get your calories burned. You get information on your floors climbed as well. Now, check out this second hand is going around the bezel of the watch. I thought that was a nice touch, a nice added character to the watch face. And you can tap into your music and make a phone call, and you can see those around the bezel of the watch, and down here you got your timer as well. So yes, it is interactive, so if I need to go in and check out my calories burned, I can tap over here and get more of my step status info if I would like. So I thought that definitely this was a good watch face to download. Now, this is truly affordable in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, I think it's worth its weight in gold. I don't know what you think. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below, but if I double tap, like right here, I can change the theme color of the watch face slightly, right? Got about 4 colors in all, which isn't bad, right? What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you all at the next video. Take care.